Hi guys, and welcome to bot.binary.com hotmatrixx unofficial tutorial series episode 2B, working with blocks, context, menus. I thought I'd discuss a couple of context menus. If you right click, you get context menus. Now on these major blocks, these blue ones, duplicate doesn't work, but on including this particular one grey one here. However, on pretty much any other block anywhere, you can right click it and duplicate it, and it's just a time saver. If it's right there and you've got a script that says one thing or the other thing, you just copy it and move it and then put them next to each other. Do whatever you need to do. It's just a little shortcut. You can also right click and you will have delete further down. You can add a comment to a block, so if I take something like this one, I can right click and add a comment, so I can explain why that is doing whatever it is that it's doing, and then I can close that comment again just by clicking on that again. So now I've got a question mark here, so I know there's a comment on that, and I can open it up and it will explain what this block's purpose is. That's pretty much what that one's about. You can also remove the comment using that button. Then you've got collapse block, which is kind of a nice quality of life thing to have. If you've got a block with a lot of operations and it's really long, you can collapse it to a single line, and then you could, make your code look nice and tidy visually. Oops, that's the wrong one, sorry. Make your code look nice and tidy visually. The one that I just tapped in by accident, which you've obviously seen now, is disable block. If you pull a block out of its operational area and it's a critical block, it will automatically disable itself. See, it's gone yellow to mean it's disabled, which means that it will not run. So you can put that back in and automatically re-enable. If you run a bot, if you've got these out here and you run a bot, it will automatically check for all of these and then automatically disable them by default. So I'll just do that now just to show you. See, it's gone and disabled them. I stop the bot, they will remain disabled. It's just to keep the code tidy, so that I don't even know why. It's honestly, the devs have done it. It's not a bad idea at all. It's probably just to stop the bot from executing orphaned code, and it's probably a very good safeguard, to be honest. So that was collapse block. Once you've collapsed it, that turns into expand block. It's a context menu. The next one to worry about is, well, delete. Help, like I said, help is this. It's the same context down here, and it's kind of useless. Download's also a kind of useful thing, where normally you would save your entire bot by using this command up here. If you just wanted to save one particular block, if you went and made a function that you could use in all kinds of different bots, you just wanted to save that one function, you could right click that and then download that one mini snippet of code. So that covers the basics of working with blocks and its context menus. Thank you for sticking with me, guys, and I will see you in the next one.